Day 2 of the Advent calendar. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around. It's day 2 of the Advent shaving calendar. Most of you guys know who I am, but in case you're new here, I'm Matthew. Welcome. I do shave videos, tips, tricks, and hacks for shaving. Today I'm going to be using this PAA brush, and this is the Cyclotrode. Has a nifty little glow in the dot or glow in the dark tip of the handle. It's a synthetic brush. I'm not going to go over too much here with all the stuff because it's mainly you're focusing on the scent of what's going to be in each Advent day. And I'm going to be using the Artifact razor by PAA. This is another great razor. I have a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade loaded up. And now on to what you guys are waiting for. I'm teasing you because you can't even look on the description. So here we are, day 2. Let's open her up and see what we got. This is a little bit difficult to do on camera. All right, let me get the paper out. I'm trying not to look at the paper because I don't want to, what do I want to say? I just want to get the first impressions of the label and the soap. I don't want any information off of the paper to cloud my mind with my senses. This one appears to be, good thing I don't need readers. No, I do. Very tiny at the bottom. It says Christmas Whiskey Wonderland. On the very bottom, which you guys probably can't see, of the shot glass. Let's take a little whiff here. Definitely a whiskey, bourbon type scent. There's the label on the splash. Second day, second flannel of the shave. Let me get this. I'm going to scoop out 1/4 teaspoon, whip up some lather, come back, and we'll have a shave. Whip that up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. I also put a little bit on the back of my hand as I was making the lather. Might have got it just a little on the wet side, but it is going to perform flawlessly. I'm a little bit of a brush splayer, and with the synthetics, they are so soft. I feel like they like to be painters. The one nice thing about a synthetic brush is there's no time that you have to wait to soak it. You can instantly dunk it in and get the shaving going. I'm going to warm up the razor here in a bowl full of warm water. Get going with pass number 1 with the grain. You can see that water dripping into those secret special little channels within the base plate. We all know CK6 performs flawlessly with residual slickness and makes a very nice lather. One of the things I noticed right off the top, I got that whiskey note, and for me it was very strong. But now that I've been having it on my hand for a little bit and just enjoying the scent coming off of the shave soap, I've noticed it has toned down a little bit, and I'm picking up some of that pear. And I think with a little bit more time, it's going to become even nicer. And I'll put this up right here, but it does talk about, it's supposed to open up with the sweetness, ripe pear scent, and then followed up with a warm boozy, you know, embraced with the cask-aged brandy and smooth whiskey. And I feel like the whiskey was really high, and now it's starting to kind of come down a little bit more. I was a little bit worried because I thought, wow, the scent strength on it just coming right off the top. I was thinking, you may not want to wear this on a Friday or Saturday night if you're deciding to stay out past 1. If you get pulled over, officer, I swear it's my aftershave. It's not that I was drinking. The swerving and all that was because of the luscious scent coming off my shave soap and splash. I don't think they're going to buy that. But like I said, that scent has toned down quite a bit, and so that makes it a little bit more enjoyable. I let my wife smell it, and her opinion was, she said, well, it's not bad. It's not real good. She goes, it's definitely a doable scent. So take that with a grain of salt. If you've got women in your life, you know, scents are really subjective. And if your lady is into the bourbon scene, she's probably really going to love it. But like I said, with that sweetness on the dry down, I think it will work in a lot of situations. This particular soap scent, I have not seen in the past, and it says that it is a ghost of the future. Nice. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. Be right back. Go ahead and shake the splash up here. Ooh, a restrictor. Now in the splash, I do pick up with this much on my face and hands. I can pick up the pear scent more predominantly versus the soap. I think that's going to be a winner of a scent. All right, I'll put a picture right here, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 of the Advent Calendar by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements.